I hope you all are fine. You all are welcome to see Rimton Reviews. Guys, in this video, I will help you knowing whether the website is legit or it is a scam. Guys, I have tried to come up with a true picture of this website, for which I have done a thorough research on it. Guys, let's have a look at the website's homepage. As you can see the homepage of this website, it is selling toys of children. You can buy inflatable moonwalk, inflatable water park, swing sets, playhouses from this website. Beautiful collection of children toys are displayed here. Let's have a look at some of the products this website is selling. As you can see, there are a lot of categories, guys. Let's see inflatable bounces. As you can see, there are a lot of inflatable bouncers here. The price of all the products is quite reasonable. There are different collection for little boys and little angels. But guys, the most important thing is to find out whether this website is legit or it is a scam. For this, we will go through some important information. Let's see the About Us page. Guys, as you can see this page, it doesn't seem to be much impressive. They have stated the company's mission and advantages, but no information about the company's owner or the people behind this website is stated. It can create a lot of doubt in users' mind, and buying anything from such website can be a risk. Well, let's move to the Contact Us page. Guys, they haven't mentioned anything about a way in which you can contact the company. There is only one single form. The company has not displayed its email ID, phone number or office address. You have to protect yourself from such websites, guys. Let's have a look at the shipping policy. Okay, they have a proper shipping policy in which they have mentioned the shipping time, processing time. Shipping is free. You can receive your order within 3 to 7 business days. Let's see the return policy. Okay, they have a return and refund policy also, guys. As you can see, proper return refund policy procedure is mentioned here. But guys, after doing a thorough research on this website, I come to know that this website is recently built, and any e-commerce website which is not at least 6 months old, you should not buy anything from such website. The website even does not have any social media presence. Also, this website has 0 customer reviews and Google reviews, so you cannot find out anything about its legitimacy. If you have purchased anything from this website, please share your comment with us. It will provide a lot of help to other people also. Guys, overall I can say that this website doesn't seem to be legit and you are not recommended to use it. Guys, if you like the information, please hit the like button, share your experience with us in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.